and learn with Luna and Kash.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Luna and Kash. I'm Luna.
And I'm Sophia.
Today we are going to unbox and play with this doll. It is a hairstylist doll. Come on, let's see what's inside. Wow, she's so pretty, isn't she?
We have a beautiful doll and a comb.
Oh no, it's a fake mirror!
Luna, this is not enough.
Aha! I think I missed something.
I don't think so.
Wait. See, I told you. Okay, here's everything. Let's start by combing her hair. And we're going to have some makeups for her and some ribbons, some pop lipstick and some clips.
Yeah. Also eyeshadow. That will be wonderful. Really wonderful.
Let's make her pretty. Later we're going to put some lipstick and very nice ribbons. Sophia, can you pass me the hair clip?
Here you go, Luna.
Thank you, Sophia.
You're welcome, Luna.
How to put this? Now the makeup is done. Now we're going to braid her hair. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Luna and Kash, bye-bye.